we choose the way we are.
Gabby!
We wanna choose what's true.
June 10, got tickets to your favorite artist, G?
OMG game! Wait, anniv yun ng parents ko.
Once in a lifetime to, girl.
Choose your true kasama ang GSMU. I choose my family.
Video call ka na lang namin!
Kasama ang GSMU.
Ikaw, what's your true?
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
I have faith that one day you'll remember. So many people have placed their trust in your name.
Good evening, Enterprise. Having trouble sleeping?
I felt the ocean calling out to me.
Huh?
I'm joking.
That seems quite unlike you, doesn't it?
It is. Maybe I'm just feeling a little emotional right now.
Try and keep yourself warm out here.
You brought coffee at this hour of the night? Thought you taught elegance.
It's very quiet.
I never mind a quiet ocean.
Sexual abuse ay nagdudulot ng panghabang buhay na health effects.
Sasabihin ka.
Ayoko na rin madagdagan yung kasalanan ko sa asawa ko.
Abused child, unfaithful wife.